One of our favorite ways to enjoy summer and beat the heat is to hop in a kayak or other paddlecraft. Exploring creeks and streams is a favorite of paddlers, and whether you're kayaking, canoeing, or using a stand-up paddleboard to navigate, you are a boater. You may only encounter other paddlers if you stay in narrow waterways, but paddling rivers and navigable waterways can put you in the path of powerboats and personal watercraft. Sharing the waterway can be stressful, but there are ways of mitigating the risks. Keep watching to learn some rules of the road or water. Before venturing to a new waterway, plan ahead so you're aware of your surroundings and potential hazards. In sharing the waterways with powerboaters and personal watercraft, the risk of an accident is increased when the boat operator is inattentive, unaware of boating etiquette or laws, or is impaired. Even though you can't control what other boaters are doing, you can practice safe boating behaviors and lessen your risk. Let's take a look at some of the precautions you should take while sharing the waterways with powerboaters. Know the waterway. Know what to expect for the day by using nautical maps, planning your trip with a guide, or going with someone who has local knowledge. Planning a safe trip includes what type of vessels use the area. Are there designated no-wake zones? Are there informational buoys or markers in the area? Are you launching alongside powerboats? Is the area popular for towed sports like wakeboarding, tubing, water skiing, and more? Stay visible. Powerboaters aren't always attentive to their surroundings. It's best to always wear brightly colored clothing in addition to having a visible life jacket on. When you see a powerboat, you can always try to give a friendly wave, but if they don't see you, another line of defense is having a signaling device with you, which could be a loud whistle or air horn. Don't be afraid to use these tactics to get the attention of others. It could save your life. Stay out of the middle of the waterway. Imagine you're a cyclist on a busy road and paddle by the shoreline so you can easily avoid powerboaters. Staying close to the shoreline in shallower water will keep you safer and out of their direct line. However, you still need to stay aware. Their wake will make your craft unstable and could easily flip you. Hearing a powerboat means a wake is coming. When you see or hear a powerboat, their wake will follow and may make your craft unstable. Be prepared to first hit the wake with your bow, which is the front of your craft. Hitting the wake perpendicularly, bow first, will give you the most control over your craft, keeping you more stable. If the wake hits you from the side or parallel, you may flip over. Be familiar with navigation aids. When paddling in open or navigable waterways, you're likely going to see buoys or markers. It's important that you familiarize yourself with what different navigation aids mean, since they could be alerting you to hazardous areas, channel markers, or restricted zones. As a courtesy, powerboaters may yield to human power watercraft. But don't assume that powerboaters know the rules of the road or that they can see you. For more information on navigation aids, check out our videos on aids to navigation to learn more. Okay, let's recap on how to safely share the waterway between human-powered crafts and powerboats. To paddle safely with powerboats, know the waterway. Stay visible. Stay out of the middle of the waterway, and be familiar with navigation aids. Taking these precautions and planning ahead will help you have a fun day on the water, which is what we're all looking for. Take safety precautions, wear your life jacket, and be sure to have fun. Always remember to remain alert to the environment you're in, your skill level, and what your craft is capable of. Challenge yourself to learn more and share the information to keep everyone safe on the water. Education is one key to remaining safe while boating.